Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tushari's Math Academy. Today I'm going to do the grade 8 English medium lesson 6. That is the 19th chapter. Right. This lesson you have done in grade 7. Can you remember? Right? We'll see how to identify the sets. What is a set? A group of material which can be separated definitely according to the features. Same features are called as sets. Now, example, now that is red flowers. By looking at the flower color, we can separate, right? Numbers between 1 and 10. Right? When you write the sets, you write the curly brackets. Within the curly brackets, you have to write the set. But the following are not considered as sets. Beautiful flowers. We can't say that is now one flower. Will we take one flower, rose flower? That is very beautiful for me. But for another person, it's not that beautiful. Right? Another person, it's ugly. Right? So we can't consider that as a set. If we can say, definitely, rich people. We don't know who are rich or poor. Right? Okay, so one person can be rich for me, but for another person, he is poor. Right? Likewise, good children. Right. Long rivers. You can't take those as measurement sets. Bright students. But students who got 90 above, for maths as bright students, there is a measurement. Then I can take as the set. If we just say bright students, we can't take that as a set. Right? I assume you know that very well in grade 7. Right. Now, when you write the set, there are some rules. We'll get some rules first. Okay? Rules of writing a set. When you say, right, first rule, elements are written in double brackets. If you write the elements like 2, 4, 6, separating comma, just like this, the answer is wrong. Even the answer is correct, we can't give the marks, even in a single mark. You have to put the curly brackets for the set. That's the first rule. Second rule, you have to name the set as a capital English letter A, B. You don't use simple letter. And the third rule, most important rule, the elements are written in only once. What do you mean by that? Look at this example. Write the set of letters of the word Colombo. Now I'm writing the letters of the word Colombo. C, O, L. Can I write O again? No. One element is written only once. M, B. That's all. Right? This is the Colombo letters of the word Colombo set. Right. Now we go to the ways of writing a set. To write the set, there are major 4 ways, but in grade 8, we are learning only 3. In grade 10, we are learning the 4th way, right? The ways of writing a set. First one, description form, writing according to a common ratio, right? By looking at the feature, we can write even numbers below 10. That is in word form. Listing element form, that the same set, I'm writing in letter elements form. 2, 4, 6, 8. Third one, using a Venn diagram. Who is Venn? Venn was a mathematician, John Venn. To respect him, we give these diagrams as Venn diagram. He has found this, right? A, 2, 4, 6, 8. We don't put the commas inside in a circular shape, closed figure, circular and oval shape. So what? You can take N shape and closed figure should be there. 2, 4, 6, 8. That is the third way of representing the set. We'll go to the next part of that. Elements of a set. The symbol, now in mathematics, you get lot of symbols. You must know these symbols very well. The symbol is this. I'll write it here. It's like a C and that draw line like this. Curve, curve, and like this. That's a symbol. Element of a set. Not an element of a set. You write this and cut it. That is not. Okay, look at the example A. Set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are elements. I can write 3 is an element of A. This is a symbolic form. How do you write in word form? 3 is an element of set A. That 8 is not an element of A. The symbol is cut like this. That is 8 is not an element of set A. Right? Now we'll go further. Next one is null set. What is a null set? A set which do not have any elements. Right? So, look at the example, quadrilaterals with 3 sides. Can we draw quadrilateral with 3 sides? Never. So, that is a null set. And then symbol. Now, be careful. This has 2 symbols. First symbol is like this. The other symbol is empty brackets. Right? I have seen some children, they combine these two and they do like this. That is, which is wrong. Okay? You can't like that. Write like that. The 2 separate symbols, either this or this you can use. That A, null set. Then therefore, we can write A is a null set. A symbol, you can use one of the symbols. Second one, B, even numbers between 3 and 4. Can we find any even numbers between 3 and 4? No. Then B is a null set. Right? B is a null set. Right? The number of, next topic, the number of elements in a set. Now look at this A. The symbol is N, A, N, A, O, N, B, N, C, N. Number of elements of A, set A. Then look at this example A, 2, 4, 6, 8. That has 4 letters, 4 elements, number of elements. Then NA equals 4. Don't write curly brackets for this. This is not a set. Right? This is just the number 4. Right? Most of children, they write 4 is correct. Here they have put curly bracket. Then the answer is wrong. In the exam, answer is wrong. So we have to put the just 4 number of elements, that is 4. I assume you can understand this lesson very well. Right, to get the future lessons, you better subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.